So I had an opportunity to do a lot of other things in the field of law. None of it was appealing. Nothing of it was appealing. So starting off literally into private practice on my own, because I didn't want to do the things that our typical law schools graduate. So serving people sounds so unbelievably corny. However, I wanted something that I could provide for my family, at the same time live a mission, because faith to me is very, very, very important. So serving people is not some talking point for me. Serving people is actually what I do. So starting off the firm from scratch, by the way, this is like a 20-year work in progress, and seeing where it's at right now is something very gratifying for me.
At Atlas, we specialize in consumer litigation and employment law. We handle matters such as debt collection abuse, harassment, wrongful termination. Our mission here at Atlas is to give a voice to the voiceless and to inform our clients that they do have rights, even when some of the biggest entities around made them feel that they don't. We don't believe in fighting fire with fire. We believe in leveling the playing field for our clients to let them know that they're empowered to go after some of these large entities when they feel that they have no other option.
We actually are Robin Hood. We literally go after the most powerful, seemingly invincible adversaries in the country and essentially expose their wrongs and extract from them an apology, usually coming in the form of money for our clients. And by the way, so many of our adversaries have now chosen the route of arbitration, I can't even talk about it. I can't even talk about what we get to do for our clients through those avenues. However, rest assured, Robin Hood is on the job, and we love it, and we're not gonna stop doing it, and we're gonna keep growing our firm to benefit as many people as we can.
Everybody here at Atlas lives by the motto of dedication, innovation, compassion, and excellence. This is not just our motto, it's not just our core values, not what you see when you walk into our office that's on the wall. It's a living embodiment of what this firm is, and every single one of our members here knows that to be able to secure the most favorable results for clients, those are the values that we must pour into every single case.
Coming from the family I come from, we're just taught integrity. To always do the right thing, even when no one's looking. And I would see the managers take advantage of other employees in situations that they were in, whether it be sexual harassment or using their authority wrongfully. And just seeing that, and one, not be able to actually help them, but just understand that there are laws out there that will protect people from making complaints, from speaking out against sexual harassment, race-based harassment, or not paying minimum wages. These things are happening all the time in the country, and I'm very honored to be a person that is now able to do something about it.
And everyone here just is so, passionate about this line of work. Everyone that I've come in contact with, no matter what, is kind of their bread and butter. They're so passionate about helping people. And I think that's really a big thing, is making sure that they can get, whatever the client needs to kind of help them like heal from what they've gone through. And those sorts of things. And I think everyone here holds those values of just kind of making sure that our clients are kind of getting the justice that they deserve.
And the individuals I work with are extremely passionate and dedicated to the line of work that we do. And we take a very client-centered approach to every single case, where we don't treat every single case the exact same. We look at each client and see what their needs are and evaluate on an individual basis, and we take our work from there. We tell every client that, this is your case, I'm just here to help you. And that's the approach that I take.
I think the mission at Atlas really is all about helping people. I think it's about driving change and being an agent for change, being an agent for improvement of people's lives. And I see that reflected in the day-to-day activities. I mean, even when I'm assisting a client, I can feel the change that's happening for them. And even when it's just something like I'm training, for example, everybody who has been training me, everybody who has been assisting me, all of the other associates at the firm, everyone is incredibly helpful and driven by this passion to do more, this passion to do better, this passion to constantly improve and to just make more good in the world.
Atlas has been practicing for over 20 years. I cannot recollect the last time this office has sent an invoice out to a client. I actually will have to go look. It might have been during the Obama administration that an invoice was sent out for office. None of our clients get a bill from our office. Our clients' bills are paid for by our clients' adversaries, 100% of them. And if our clients were not successful, by the way, it's possible that we're not successful. However, it's about this possible. We don't take cases unless there's an actionable claim. And 100% of those actionable claims get paid for by my client's adversaries. Our clients will never get an invoice.
Doing what we've been doing for so long, there's no more gratifying feeling than being able to secure a favorable result for our clients, especially when we know the circumstances that they've been under.